I'm back. It's the next day. I feel better today. Last night I left this ridiculous repair in I just don't like this. I'm not happy with it. It looks ugly. I'm just gonna cut the whole thing out and start again. This is a learning process. You have to try stuff, you have to fail at stuff, and just, I guess, don't be afraid to start again. I practiced my welding on it, so that's fine. Yeah. Also, I've always said this should be a thing where you can just eat the cereal straight from the box, and that's exactly what this is. Game changer, finally. Get a box of cereal, put some milk in it, badosh. That's nice. All right, I'm gonna cut this out.
Any ideas?
Just like that. I've cut it out. It was like 2 days worth of work in that terrible repair. But it's all good. We'll start again. This is what I'm talking about. This is what I cut out. And it just, look at that. No, I can't, no. I'm gonna have to rethink that a little bit. Last repair that I did was basically one piece of metal like that, one piece of metal like that with another piece welded on top. It didn't work. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna have one piece that connects the inside of the bonnet. This is the inside of the bonnet, and this is the inside of the car. And then the top come down with a small lip and a plug weld here. And then at the bottom, same thing again with plug welds here. So this middle bit is going to be from here to here, just one square welded in. And then top bit come down with a lip, and bottom bit come up with a lip. Considering my welding skills, I think that will work much better. This is not. I'm really glad I cut this out. This is disgusting. Yo, let me show you what I have going on. This is what I'm working on. So I've decided to join this piece with this piece with just this one simple piece here. I've just got it in place. I'm taking my time with it. Like yesterday's like ridiculous repair. Part of the reason is just I was trying to rush. I don't know what I was doing. It just didn't work out. So now I'm taking my time. I'm taking everything nice and slow, and it seems to be working okay for the minute. Well, I've not gotten very far, but so the plan is to have this piece calm down with just a small lip, just how it is here, and have, I think I'm gonna do 4. I will do 4 small plug welds from the top with just one little L piece going bloop, bloop, bloop. And then have the exact same thing from the bottom, from here to here with a small lip, and then seam sealer the absolute bean out of it, because that's just some stuff. Let's carry on. So I've been playing with this for a ridiculous amount of time. Again, I'm trying to just enjoy the process and not stress out, because I hate this little area. I literally cannot stand it. It's so hard to work in. It's working out alright. I'm happy with it so far. So I literally welded in this new part here and made up this next piece that's going to come down and have spot welds from the top. But it's still, I'll clean up the welds inside more and just in general everywhere. But that's what it looks like at the moment. What am I doing? I don't know what I'm doing. Alright. There's a lot of back and forth, just taking the little bit off, trimming it, putting it back on. But as much as I hate this area, one thing that I am going to take away from it is that slowing right down.
Any ideas?
Really just really makes all the difference. Just slowing down and just trying to do as good of a job as you can. For example, for this little piece here that I'm making, I'm taking my time with it. I'm doing a lot of the filing for the gaps just by hand with a file, which is just a much more enjoyable process. I took my time to properly measure out all the holes that I'm gonna plug weld. Like I scribed the straight line that that's in line with the rest of that lip, and just doing little things like that that I just didn't do before. Just really taking my time with it, trying to enjoy it, is just making all the difference, really. I'm much happier with how it's turning out now compared to what was going on before. And
any ideas?
Yeah, I'm just gonna keep going. Yeah. It's the little things. I think I've said this before. I'm not sure if there's a right or wrong way of doing this.
Any ideas?
I'm just kind of improvising, just trying to work out what's going on. But let me show you this little setup I had going on. So I got a jack with this piece of metal, just pushing up onto this repair bit that I made there onto this lip. So then this is what it looks like currently. This edge lifted up a tiny bit. Hopefully me hammering it down after, whilst the pressure is on it, hopefully that like eliminated any pockets that were there. I'm gonna give it another little just tap from the top. I think I'm happy with it. Happier than I was with that other monstrosity that I had going on anyway. But yeah, not too sad. I can make it look okay, grinding it all down and stuff. And then once it's all, when it's ready, yeah, just for now I'm just gonna leave it like this. It's a proper funky looking piece. Obviously all of this is gonna get chopped off in line with this. I think I'm gonna leave these plug welds, like these little, they look like kind of like rivets or something. And then when I see them, it can remind me of how much of a struggly boy I was having with this piece. I'm gonna come back tomorrow and carry on. We've had a couple days break away from all of this, but we have a lot going on here. It looks like a weird alien surgery or something. Oh god. We currently have a stripped and sanded 1,000,000 times boot. Ross has been sanding it for the last 15 million hours, and it looks like it's ready to boogie. Very nice. Very nice. Dog just sneezed. Alright. Getting degreased. Look at the stretch on the boy. It's like a really weird wind chime. some heat gun action. Dry it nicely. Do you know what the general rule of mixing paint is?
Just gotta mix it up.
If you think you're done, just mix it some more and then you're done.
Any ideas?
So yeah, that's done for a bit. Yeah.
Yes.
It's not even at its final stage, and it's pretty good. I've just spent a little bit of time just cleaning it up and stuff, and it already looks like decent. But yeah, I'm much happier with the penetration on my welds. A bit more consistent everywhere, really. Yeah, that's decent. I need to make this bottom bit now.
Any ideas?
Unbelievable how much time you can spend on something that's never going to be seen and such a tiny thing, but look at this crazy contraption I've got going on here. So that's the repair piece in here. Hopefully it's understandable what I'm trying to do here. I'm going to take this off again, which is a bit crazy. Just spent like half an hour just clamping all this up, but I'm going to take it off again, clean up all the edges. I'm happy with my gaps. I just want fresh, clean edges for welding, and yeah, give it a little clean and then start welding it in. Quite happy with how it's going so far. I have welded this much of it in so far. The bottom side is gonna end up looking better than the top side, but that's all good. Just shows that like just practicing something once and then the next time it just comes out that much better. But
Any ideas?
quite happy with the welds here, all the penetration, whatever. Okay, I'm gonna weld it up now. Just finished welding it up, and I think this is probably my best welding that I've done on this whole thing. The consistency with the penetration is not bad, mate. Not bad. It's super strong. I'm just gonna give it a quick little clean up and see what I think of it. I might even literally just leave it how it is. Just give it a very light sanding. Not too sad, is it really?